This is going to be a video tutorial on how to close all your tabs at once in the Safari browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now and I have the Safari browser opened up. To close all tabs at once on the Safari browser, if you look down to the lower right hand corner, that is your tab icon. If you tap on that, it brings up all of your tabs that you currently have open. I'm going to tap on Done. Now to remove all your tabs at once, you want to hold down on the tab icon, hold down on it for 2 seconds, put your finger on it, hold it on it for 2 seconds, and this drop down will appear, and right here, close all 5 tabs. I have 5 tabs open. It says close all 5 tabs. You can close your current tab that you're currently on. There's all kinds of options here that you could do, but if you want to close all tabs at once, you would just tap on close all tabs. It'll ask me again, do I want to close all 5 tabs? I'm going to tap on close all 5 tabs. Now if I tap on the tab icon again, it only has the current tab that I'm currently on open. That is how to close all tabs at once on the Safari browser using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.